Welcome back to our Wudang Online Academy. Today we continue with the 6th sequence of the Gua Zhang form. We will show you carefully in every detail and angle. Let's start with the movement. So now we show you the 6th movement, all right? When we come back from the 8th posture, okay, from here, you again circle step inside and the same opening as before, so we are right here. Now we are here, the first hand is straight, okay? And the second one, when you step, come from below and you stop with the right hand, okay? When we stop with the right hand, we push back and focus the hands close to the gravity center, like this one. Watch closely. When we here, one, we close here, yeah, and same go backward a bit, okay? So you compress the 𝐸𝐸 in the gravity center, okay? So we do this movement one more time. We're coming from here, one, like here, 1, 2, compress, step back, all right? Now we turn, we use this connection with the gravity center by turning, okay? So we are right here, here one, turn, keep, and then rotate the hand to the outside and push, yeah, like this. The finger position is like a 𝐤𝐸𝐴𝐻, it's like this, you see, here, and this you make long, huh? Make it long, all right? Yeah, long. Okay. Watch carefully one time, okay? I show you this internal rotation. When we're here, 1, 2, go here. 1, push and stretch arm. Yeah. From the other side, when we're coming from here, you know, like here, 1, 2, push, rotate, stretch, and come here, okay? So this movement is a bit more complicated, but otherwise the 6th sequence is very easy. So let's start again, repeat this sequence. We come from the first circle, 1, 2, below, 3, push, turn, punch, and finish with the same leg. The left leg turn outside and step slowly close. And we turn, and we repeat for the other side. 1, 2, 3, rotate, punch, extend, turn in here, and step slowly close. And we go back to the basic posture. This is it for the 6th sequence. Be careful that you connect each rhythm with the movement. So the 𝐸𝐸 become explosive from collecting the power into the gravity center. And we here, you do slowly breathe and make fast hard. Then from the heart, make empty. You fall back. You make soft, empty. And then you stand 1. You use the circle and extend outside. The right hand is over the knee. Extend the arm. And then step close again. This is it for today. Thank you for watching the 6th sequence and see you soon for more. Goodbye.